Hi everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am gonna review my favorite brand out there, Govee Life. So this is my maybe 10th time I am reviewing Govee's products here on my channel, and I'm so very excited, guys, to review here today the ice maker and the kettle by Govee Life. And guys, exciting news, Black Friday sale. Of course, there is gonna be a Black Friday sale on Govee Life products, so be so very sure to check it all out. I will leave you all of the links and all the information about the Black Friday sale down below in the description box to this video of mine. So be so very sure to, be aware for this amazing and great sale. It can play an amazing role as a coming Christmas gift, as a coming Thanksgiving gift, or as a great gift for any one of your family or friends, for the coming holiday, or for any other type of occasion. Definitely, if you care about your family and beloved ones, any of these products or any of other Govee Life's products can play an amazing role as a gift idea. Both of these works with the smart application. You can connect both of these to your Govee application and fully control them remotely. Allow me to, first of all, tell you my thoughts about the ice maker. This one is a blast. I am absolutely in love with this ice maker by Govee. It makes you an ice in 3 different shapes in just 6 minutes. And you can choose the shape to be small, medium, or large. So here I have the examples, guys, just to show you. So this is how the large size looks like. This is large. This is how a medium size looks like. It's medium. And this is how a small size looks like. This is small size. So guys, this ice goes out in a perfect shape of a bullet with a hole inside. So this is a perfectly chewable ice if you are a fan of chewing ice. It is coming out soft and ready to chew. And it's just absolutely amazing device to have home, as well as you can take this one with you for camping. It's not that this ice maker is a portable one, but I just took this one with me to a camping and it worked absolutely great for me. I had to use a power station, of course, to connect it to. So it is possible to take this one with you for camping or for a road trip, but at the same time, it was made to use home. But there is never a limit to your imagination. I love how fast it works, and I love that it have a self-cleaning mode. You just simply put water and it's gonna clean itself, and there is nothing else that you need to do. The self-cleaning takes about 10 minutes. Well, guys, let me tell you more details about this ice maker. You have no idea how huge fan I am of this Govee Life Smart Countertop ice maker. This one have it all, self-cleaning, works with Alexa, voice control, smart application control, 3 different sizes of an ice cubes, and it will give you ice just in 6 minutes. Isn't that just the dream device? Yeah. So guys, let's go call by call. Let me tell you more details. First of all, this have a remote control via the smart application. So you can start your countertop ice maker remotely via the Govee Home smart application, even if you are away from home. And this ice is especially designed and created to be a chewable one. So if you are a fan of chewing ice, oh my god, this device is 100% for you. So from now on, you can enjoy chewy ice once you are returning home from a long day at work, or from whenever you are coming, via making the ice remotely through the smart application. This is definitely going to make your life better, smarter, and way more efficient. This one is as well compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. So you can voice control this one as well. This one works so very fast, and this is an energy saving one too. So with this Govee Life's portable countertop ice maker, you will enjoy the 9 bullet shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. I am an absolutely fan of the shape of this ice and how chewable and a little bit soft this ice comes out. 6 minutes and you'll have the ice ready for you. This one can make a 26 pounds of an ice cubes in just 24 hours, or less than 0.1 kWh on average per hour, by making a great value for your daily home usage. It have a self-cleaning ability as well. The self-cleaning will take 10 minutes. So this countertop ice maker by Govee is designed with an auto-cleaning function. So it can circulate the water that you are putting inside. By the way, this one is so very easy to use. You just simply pour water inside and you're done. Turn it on, pushing one single button, and it starts working, starts creating the ice for you. Well, back to our cause. So this one will take the water and it's gonna circulate the water just to clean clean every corner inside this bullet ice maker to make it absolutely clean. So this is a great for a healthy lifestyle, so there is no worries about even cleaning this device. It is gonna clean himself. It have a prolonged service life. I absolutely love that the ice goes out in 3 different sizes, and you can control the sizes through the smart application or through the screen itself. So you have a smart display on top of the ice maker, so you can control it fully through the display and through the smart application as well. So 3 sizes, and the ice goes out in a bullet shape. The sizes are small, medium, and large. This ice melts slowly and do not stick to anything so easily as the other, because it goes out like a little bit soft. So it's not like, 100% freezed ice. It's just really tastes good and it's great and ready to use. You can even create flavored ice cubes. The ice cubes can be also made with a pulp-free beverages just to accommodate the cold drink and foods. This is a 100% smart and convenient choice. It is absolutely having an amazing Black Friday promotion. Be so very sure to check it out. The price is gonna be super cheap on Black Friday as well. This one can make an amazing gift idea as well for the coming Christmas, for the Thanksgiving, or for any other type of a holiday. This ice maker is equipped with the advanced sensors that will stop the ice from making once the ice basket is full or when the device is out of water. This Govee Life ice maker will alert you via the voice panel and the smart application, so you will never have to stand by the machine to know if it's out of water or if the ice basket is too full. Well guys, be so very sure to check this one out. This is my definitely absolutely an amazing and favorite ice maker out there. I took this one with me for camping as well as I'm using this one home. What I really love about this one that it makes your ice in really fast way. Well guys, I truly hope you love the ice maker, and now let's move on to the kettle. So this kettle is an absolutely fantastic one. So it comes with an LCD display. You can control the temperature of your water from the display manually or from the smart application as well by your personal choice. Of course, you can control this one remotely from the smart application, and it has so many different options. Well, let me tell you everything about it. Well, let's get started. This is a Govee Life smart electric kettle. This one is have it all, works with the smart application, have a temperature control through the device itself and through the smart application as well. And get that, it's not that it's just having the smart application control, it's also have a smart voice control as well. So this kettle supports Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection via the smart application for scheduling, checking, and adjusting the temperature anytime. When it is done boiling, the app will notify you that it's done. You can also voice control this electric tea kettle via Alexa or Google Assistants for even more convenience for you. This is have a to the degree temperature smart control. It have all the variable temperature features, and it's even have 4 presets already built in inside that you can use these presets via the button on top of the device or via the smart application. You can set the temperature anywhere between 104 degrees by Fahrenheit till 212 degrees by Fahrenheit. You can choose any degree, anything between these numbers, or you can as well DIY your own preset mode and use your own preset mode which you just DIY'd by yourself. You can brew tea or coffee, whatever you want to use the boiling water for. This is perfect for boiling water to whichever temperature you want it to go. Whatever, if you are a beginner or a professional in boiling water, it is gonna work absolutely great for you. The kettle itself comes with a digital screen display, so it have an LCD display via the 360 degrees of a swivel power base. So through this display, you can view and set all the possible settings, like you can set the temperature, you can see the real-time temperature of the water inside the kettle, and so very on. You even have a side water window and an extra wide spot with an integrated filter for easy pouring. It's boiling water so very fast, so in one kettle, you can heat for up to 7 cups, which is equal to 1.7 liters of a water. It is gonna boil the water in just 5 to 7 minutes with a 1500 watt of a power, and by your choice, it can keep the water to stay warm for up to 2 hours, starting from 30 minutes and for up to 2 hours, absolutely by your choice. You can adjust it once again through the smart display on the top of the kettle or through the smart application. You will have the water at the right degree and at the right time that you choose to have it. Of course, that thanks to the smart application, it have a remote control, so if you know that you are coming home from a long time at work and you are really eagering this hot tea or hot coffee, you can just simply turn on your kettle remotely through your smart application, set it to the correct temperature and to be boiled at the correct time that you are gonna come home. Since you can schedule the kettle to be turned on. Anytime works for you, as well as you can adjust the holding temperature time in the application. This kettle is 100% safe. It is made with a BPA-free, food-grade 304 stainless steel, which this is the safer and the most durable material out there. It works with a trusted NTC temperature sensor inside, built into this kettle, and it has an automatic shut off for any type of emergencies. The kettle as well have more safety features like dry boil protection and over temperature protection as well. This electric water kettle is having this amazing and attractive aesthetically done design and a lot of different features that will make your day amazing. And of course, guys, that there is an amazing Black Friday promotion that goes on right now. Be so very sure to check all the details for the Black Friday promotion at the description box down below to this video of mine. This kettle is definitely can play a great gift for the coming Thanksgiving, for the coming Christmas idea, as well as it's just a great gift idea for your family or your beloved ones. For anyone who is a tea and coffee lover, guys, this is definitely a great gift idea and it's not so expensive at all. Definitely worth it to get it through the Black Friday promotion for very, very cheap, and then just, you know, get a few units and then just simply keep them aside and gift them whenever it is time to gift, like for any type of holiday or for birthday or whatever. Well, guys, I truly hope you enjoyed both of these products review of mine by Goveelife. I am a huge fan of Goveelife. These two products definitely work so very well for me. Ice maker, my favorite. Kettle, amazing to make, you know, a baby bottle or to make a tea or make a coffee. Well, we have a coffee machine. We don't even have, like, you know, the coffee powder, like what to make the coffee from, but we have tea, and I am a fan of having tea because I'm from Europe and I used to boil water on my oven basically before I've got this kettle. So now I'm so lucky that I have this kettle and I can just easily boil my water in minutes and have a water in basically any temperature that I want it to be. I can fully control it, I can choose, and I can adjust the temperature, and the keeping the water warm by any way works for me. I personally think it's an amazing upgrade for any house out there. Well, guys, be so very sure to check Goveelife out and be so very sure to not to miss their Black Friday sale that's going on right now. I will leave you all the information down below in the description box, all the Black Friday sale information, coupon codes, discounts, promotions, and so very on, as well as the links to these two devices by Goveelife. Well, it is all gonna be there at the description box, as well as I'm gonna pin it at the comment section to be the very first comment. So yeah, be so very sure to check it all out. Well, guys, that was actually all for today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.